Today is the International Day of People with Disabilities, and here are some of the resources teachers can use to create inclusion in the classroom. These coloring pages show that everyone experiences the world differently, and they help students practice kindness, empathy, and respect. This banner is perfect for setting a welcoming, inclusive tone in the classroom. It highlights friendship, diversity, and support. These achievement certificates are a simple way to celebrate kindness, teamwork, and inclusion in the classroom. They recognize students who support others, show empathy, and help create a welcoming environment for everyone. In this bag, you'll also find a set of mind maps, clear, teacher-friendly guides that break down conditions like ADHD, autism, dyslexia, and more. Each mind map shows the key signs to look for and simple strategies you can use straight away in the classroom. It's a super practical toolkit that helps teachers understand every learner better. And that's only a small part of what's inside this resource pack. There are picture cards, word cards, classroom displays, photos, a full PowerPoint, and even more tools to support inclusive teaching. Download the full pack today and explore everything it offers.